Hi, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from the United States. But what's inside? Let's find out. So I want to say about a year and a half ago, I saw this new brand of products called Ramen Express at the local grocery store. I'd never heard about them, and as it turns out, they're in the United States. They're fairly new, and I've had a dialogue with them, and they've got some really good products. I really like their packs and their cups, and I saw something that they had that was very fascinating. I asked if maybe they could send me some, and this is what they sent. They sent a flat of these noodles. So what's the deal with these? So these are the Ramen Express Chicken Magic Noodles. And this is really fascinating to me. So what happens, I guess, is when you add hot water to these, they change color. I don't know what color they change to. I don't know what color they initially are. We can look. They sent enough of them. We can just crack one open and have a look. And here's what it looks like uncooked. I guess I should just cook one up really quick. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. That was 3 minutes spin in the microwave, and here we are. They definitely look pink to me. I'm colorblind, but I'm going with that's pink. So here's the color they are now. And as you can see, they're definitely pink. Wow, that's a trip. I've never seen color changing noodles before. I have definitely seen noodles that are in interesting colors before. I have seen pink noodles, I've seen blue noodles, but and I've seen black noodles, but I've never seen anything that does it the way they're doing it. So that's pretty neat. I think kids would really dig this. I haven't tried it yet. You'll have to wait for my review. You'll be able to see that on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. That'll come in a month or two down the road. But yeah, full review coming up soon. Thanks for sending these. I'm really enthused. This is a really neat, unique, and kind of cute way of doing things. So yeah, I'll give them a try. All right. Well, hey, thank you for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.